Hello, my name is Vukile. We are continuing with the chromatic scale. Now we're going to do what is called a 6 note per string pattern, chromatic scales, and will do the modes as well in that same form, which is 6 note per string patterns. Okay, which I have put right here. Now, as you can see, we are in the key of G, and so we're gonna create 6 notes per string. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next one here, if you see, the next one is actually right here, C sharp. Now you're getting a different shape now. F sharp. So this is 6 again. So C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp. Now the next one is gonna come here, which is G. Yeah, you're already on the octave there. Okay. Now this is funny. For practicing, this is very beautiful. She's getting extreme now. It's very good. Now F sharp. Now look at this. Because of the tuning of this string here, you cannot put the note here, the next note here. It's going to go down here. Okay. So from F sharp you go to G. This is because of the tuning of the second string. We will talk about the tuning more when we talk about the cycle of fifths. Okay. So our notes for that will be like that. So it's 6 notes here. 2, 4, 6, and then we go to the next one, which is C sharp, and that. So this is the scale that you're gonna get. Okay, if you take modes of this scale here, if you go to the next mode, for example, which is the G sharp mode, you're gonna erase these outer. You're gonna erase these outer outer notes like this. So you're gonna have it here. Please notice how the roots have changed. So this is G, A sharp, B, C, C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you still have your 6 notes per string on each. 6 notes per string, 6 notes per string here, and here 6 notes per string. So from G to G sharp to C sharp here, D to G. So the roots have changed so quickly. They moved from the back to the front, but on different strings. Here they were for the G, they were on the 6th string, jumped to the 4th string, and then to the 2nd string. Now they are on the 5th string, 3rd string, and 1st string for the second mode. Now if you go to the 3rd mode, you'll find our 3rd mode will be like this, and this is the A chromatic scale. Okay, the roots are still the same. Let's go. I'll show you as we go. These shapes are very great for practicing. Okay, for practicing, they're very great. You know, they'll make sure your fingers are practiced, especially on this guitar of mine has 24 frets. Now this is the A sharp chromatic scale. Okay, 6 note per string. I call it 6 note per string. Alright. And this is the B chromatic scale, 6 note per string. Let's go to the next one. Well, I'll show you here. It's gonna be interesting. This is nice. This is the C chromatic scale. We're viewing it from as a mode of the G chromatic scales. That's why I have that G highlighted, and still our roots have not been moved yet. They're still in the same position. So let's go to the next mode. The next mode will be C sharp chromatic scale. Now this is our C sharp chromatic scale. Now let's go on. We'll see what will happen to the roots again here. root is gone. Now the roots are in front again, but on different, like on the first strings. So we have D chromatic scale here. You got a G, G sharp, C sharp, D, G, G sharp, C sharp, D, G, G sharp. So this is your D chromatic scale as a mod of the G chromatic scale. Okay. This sounds funny, but it's a good place to start, and it will get boring, but when you come to some more active things that are dynamic, that the mod is different from the other mod, then you start getting your brains twisted a little bit, and this is the D sharp chromatic scale, as you can see. Let's go to the next mod. It will be like this. Now we'll do a little trick there. Now this is the E chromatic scale. E chromatic scale. Now you can see that if we go to the next one, if we try, this is 6 notes per string, 6 notes there. Now this is gonna be our this is F sharp. Now sorry, F chromatic scale. You can also start an F here and have the same shape here, and end here on E, which is this one. See, it will end here if you start it here. Okay, so you have 2 of them here, which is pretty much a nice thing. So right here, let me just tell you that you can do your 1 finger per fret thing. That. The help this one will give to your dexterity is to move. Number 1, you move on the same string and you play these 2 notes, and then you shift. That's on the 5th string. You shift 1 fret, and then you play the same thing and shift 1 fret. And when you get to this one, you get used to the idiosyncrasy. You have to shift two frets here, which is which lands you on F. And once you practice that, it will just, your finger memory will increase. Now let's go to the next mode. The next mode here. This is the next mode. Now this other note, the final note, cannot be played, but if you put it here, you remember this F that we started. This was a boundary, a boundary for the chromatic scale, as you can see now. Actually ending at B, C, D, E. And if you want to have all notes anyway, you find you can put it here. So this is your F sharp 6 note per string chromatic scale. Beautiful. This is the thing. So this is an octave above that. So you see, so this is another shape for practicing purposes. It's very good. Once you nail this down, you are ready to go for the next thing. Thank you very much. I urge you to subscribe as we nail the fretboard. We'll put the final nails on the fretboard. My name is Vukile. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.